They should be fine. Really good. Okay, let's flip you over. It's a common tension area for 100% of the cheer team. Right here. Okay, give me a breath in. Back out. Good job. Come around here. Okay, let's go. Big breath again. Good job. Hips a little high on the right, so let's go on your side.
I can feel that one.
Okay, breath in. And out. Good job. One more.
A little longer. Good job. Leave your breath out. It's all good. Right there. Good job. Leave your breath out. One more. Good.
Oh,
That big one got most all. Let's see what else we got.
that felt good.
Is that all right?
So we're gonna put this under Emily's occiput and under her mandible. Just breathe through your nose. Oh,
my
yeah.
gosh.
We should put a decibel meter on that one. That probably would have went up to 80 on the decibel meter. There we go. Oh yeah. Yes, ma'am. There we go. Thanks. They were taking my P-Day conversations and making something different out of them. I'm going to educate the trolls. Legs are even now, and they stayed even. Did that hurt as much or tighten up as much? Okay. Trolls will be trolls. That's just sat in their mom's basement all day, I guess, and watch YouTube videos. Let's turn you on your back now. See, I do my exercise all day through the day too. Let's slide up this way a little bit. Never bending over adjusting you guys all day. Yep. Good. Okay, now let's put your arms out like this. Straight out to the side. Perfect. Okay. Just relax your leg in my hand. Put your hands on your tummy. Nope, one more here. That's it. Feel that one a little bit more?
Yeah, I
Okay, let this go like a limp rag. That girl. Should have felt that one even more. Good. Okay, let's hit you up and face towards the cliff. There we go. Did you get adjusted out in California?
do. No. That's why I came here.
There you go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, crack eggs definitely love you. You know what? Since you got your shoes off, I want to adjust your feet for you today too. There we go. Atta girl. Let's lay you on your back one more time.
Type a lot, so I think that's what.
On the computer lot?
Yeah.
Let's go on the other back.
Oh.
There you go. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna adjust your feet. There was your lateral tarsals. This little piggy went to market. Okay, let me adjust you. There. You should have felt that in your ankle all the way up into your pelvis as well. Yep, there we go. You feel that?
Okay.
That's your lateral tarsals.
Didn't know that could crack.
Yep. Oh, if it's got a joint, I can adjust it. When I was younger, I used to smoke them. Now I adjust them. Now let's sit you up and come over here and stand in front of the mirror. Alrighty. So let me in there. One more here. That's it. Okay, good. That's a thoracolumbar adjustment, but it's hard to do any other way. Okay. Now let's stand you up here one more time. Okay, since you're in Houston, we're gonna shoot you again. This place you forward and backwards. Well, I don't know. I might not have to. Look at that. That looks pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah.
That didn't look like it hung up at all to me, did you?
So I'm going to come down also, this is from that upper thoracic, we're going to go in that mid back and then going into the upper lumbar spine area. So the right side is kind of pushing back a little bit more than the left. So we're getting a little bit of rotation like this. And now when we come into the lumbar spine, any pain over that right side?
No.
Good. Any pain over the left side?
No.
Any pain right over the center of the sacrum?
No.
Good. Okay, so no issues going on in the low back. So it's mainly between the mid back and that upper back. So we're going to come down here. We're always going to check the leg length on every patient here. So when we check the leg length, it is almost near perfect. The right leg is just a tiny bit shorter than the left. Another thing that we always do in every patient is we take a glance up the entire patient. So one thing that we're seeing is a little bit raised on the left side. So we're leaning a little bit here, but right through here, and this is going to be her main area, in the mid back here, that right side is raised up a little bit higher here. So we're going to focus right through here and then right up here. So these are going to be our main areas today. So let's go ahead and dive on in. We're going to start right up here, as I do every time, at that cervical thoracic junction. Okay. So we're going to start off on that T1 on the left. Good. Got quite a bit of movement with that one. We're going to drop down just a little bit. T2 on the right here. There we go. Got a ton of movement there. Okay. So let's go through. Now we're going to go through this upper back, that upper thoracic area. So we're going to feel a little bit more tension like we did earlier, right on that right side. So it's still portraying the same spot. So I'm going to have you take a deep breath in and then exhale all the way out. Good. That was a ton of movement there. We're going to drop down a little bit more. Take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good. Okay. So we had that one little raised side here on the right, so we're going to address that. And then we had no issues in that lower back. Okay, good. So this right here, this is more of a L1, L2 issue. It's sitting real up high, so it's going to be a little bit different of doing an adjustment, but what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to have you lay on your side and face me. We're going to bend this top knee. Yep, just like that. Good. And we're going to have you flip to the other side. Good. Lay flat on your back for me. I want your arms out by your side. Good. And I'm going to have you put your hands over mine. Yep. Now I'm going to lean you back on me, and I want you to bring your elbows together. Okay? Did you feel that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever had that move done before?
No, not like that.
Okay, yeah. So that also helped clear everything out through here.
Yeah.
So now So I'm gonna distract out in this direction. And how would you describe that?
Oh, that's so weird. I don't know.
You
I like
felt-
wasn't expecting it.
You felt how that just pulled
Yeah.
everything apart? Now granted, I went very light with that. How far down did you feel it?
Like here.
Okay, so roughly about this far down. So
You get the easy job. There we go. Now you notice I don't ever do that side posture adjustment on people because I feel like that creates ligamentous instability in the SI joint and the lumbosacral spine region. I know a lot of chiropractors do adjust like that, but I don't like it. I don't let chiropractors adjust me like that because it always hurts me even more, especially if you have asymmetrical facets or spondylolisthesis or herniated disc. Just breathe normal for me. There you go. Yeah, see, I knew you'd be a crack addict's favorite. Yeah. That's a girl. Okay. February day. Okay, nice and easy. Breathe. That a girl.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, that's the most common reaction we get is OMG. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Good. Okay, keep breathing.
I think I'm taller.
Yes, you are. I got you. That's a girl. Oh, yeah. I told you I was just getting started.
Breathe in and out. Beautiful. One more. Hold your breath and out. Way over, all the way. Beautiful. Just open that up gently. That was the sacrum coming over this way. Hips relaxed. Get you all in line. Breathe in and out. Drop your hips a little more. Drop.
Oh,
Beautiful.
that felt so good.
Let's go face up now, Cal. Breath in. And out. Breath in again. Home run. Set. Conservative adjustment on you.
It was so small, but it felt so good.
Breathe in and out. Awesome. Oh, is that right? That's
Yeah.
funny. Hey, I heard there's some good ones out there. Hips relaxed, loose. Okay, very light. Notice we didn't push too hard, right?
Yeah, no, it felt
Just
good.
just a little bit. Hands here. Yours go on top, and we're going to squeeze down very gently. Go ahead and squeeze a little bit. You're going to breathe in deep, Corinna, and out. Keep squeezing and stand up really
I didn't
tall.
breathe in.
That's okay. Breathe in again. And out. Keep standing up tall, and then squeeze down, and chest up, chest up. Cool.
Down low, 2-3. Good. I need to get that ankle down more. There it is. Gotcha.
Then deep, and out.
Oh my gosh.
Like the first time all over again.
Right?
Breathe in and out. Beautiful. And then I think if you're on all the way, slow deep breath in, all the way out, fall back. Let's breathe in nice and deep, Sab. There we go, breath in again. All the way out. Chest relaxed, there we go. Amazing! Must have had a stressful day at work, right?
A little bit.
Boss stress you out a little bit.
Not too bad.
Oh, there you go. He must be a great guy. All right, good movement there. We're gonna breathe again, Sat. All the way out.
Oh, that was huge.
Amazing movement. There we go. Good stuff. We're gonna bend this leg here. Breath in, nice and deep. Just like that. Hips relaxed. Oh! And then we're gonna lay on our back. There we go. Breath in again, Sat. Beautiful.
Okay, here it is.
Breath in, exhale all the way out. Good. And one more time, deep breath in, and exhale all the way out. Good.
Oh my goodness, that was. Oh my Jesus Christ.
5, 4, 3.
Right there.
I'm here on S3.
Oh God.
No. Gotcha. That.
Over here, just relax. Good. All the way out. Just a little bit there. We're gonna do the same thing one more time. Deep breath in. And exhale out. Good. You felt that all right through there, right? Lay flat on your back. So I know she's feeling that all that top knee. Yep.
Oh my God.
So just relax. Good. Same thing. It's a very just simple adjustment. Relax. Good. Deep breath in and let it all out. Good. One more time. Deep breath in, let it all out. Perfect. There it was. Perfect. I felt that move. Good. Bring you to the side. Good. I'm gonna go a little lower. Adjust it from this side. There it was. Like interlock your fingers. Good. So with this, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring you down. Squeeze your elbows together, tight as you can. Good. We're gonna drop a little bit lower and I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and then exhale all the way out. Good. I'm gonna do that one more time for you. Deep breath in and let it out. Good.
Okay.
Good. Just like that, perfect. And you already like moved right when I set you up easily.
It's hilarious.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, she. So I know you felt that ankle release.
That felt good.
Okay, we're gonna do this ankle now. Okay. And then bring your elbows together.
Oh yeah.
There we go. There we go. Good. Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah. That's crazy how much you can hear it when it's like done over.
Breathe, breathe. Look at that, breathing all the way out. Wow. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, I'm gonna breathe in and out. Wow, very good. Come on, let's do it. Breath in and out. Wow.
That is it.
Oh my gosh.
Tilt right.
Oh.
Doesn't get any better than. Yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm. Okay.
We all have our Thank you.
Exhale all the way out. Good. And one more time, deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Perfect. To distract the spine,